Alright guys, we are back. Right now we're going to tackle the tower again, since last time it was a bit of a failed mission, but this time the channel is now shooting with, I've partnered with DJI. I've got the Action 5 Pro. So we're running this with the case on it. I've got more accessories, but for today we're running this with the 1.5 meter extension, also from DJI, everything. Most of my videos from now on are going to be shot with DJI, so DJI, oh my god, I need to get used to saying that. But yeah, we got this little thing so that when we're climbing, I can just hang off my pants. And then I've got this that's just gonna sit in my back pocket the whole climb up and get some sick shots at the top. Oh my god, my camera is dirty. Anyways, I need to get a phone mount for my fucking thing. We're going to check out a waterfall. New camera.
Sponsored video, sponsored by Red Bull too, by the way.
Hell yeah. So I've completely taken us to the wrong spot.
You fucked up.
I have no idea where I actually am. I might have to ring my friend Jimmy. I've been there before, but obviously not for a while. I dead set thought this was it though, but obviously not. So I'm gonna have to ring Jimmy and see where the hell this waterfall is. Damn. Call Jimmy L.
I'll sniff that.
Come on, Jimmy. Don't let me down.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available.
Fuck. I think I found the spot, but there's fucking heaps of people here, so... Oh, if we did have just followed that ranger, we would have made it. Oh well, let's go.
Oh, this looks sick.
Yeah, it's a sick little adventure. Oh, and you gotta climb down like a rope too.
What?
Yeah, I'll show you. It's pretty sick, like little rainforest.
Like, yeah, Nina's also like been growing for a while. Heaps of people know that.
Yeah. And then there. I don't think this is the spot that people will be going to up here though.
Oh, good.
Because you do have to get down a rope.
The flowers? Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, how cool. A little preview.
Yeah, that's fucking gorgeous.
Did they get rid of the rope?
Yeah. Bro, you could do the rope thing around here.
Oh, this is way more full than last time I've been here. But yeah, there was a rope coming up this bit, but they must have just got rid of it because it's not so bad.
Yeah, there it is right there. That's China. Yeah, well, it's been pretty wet.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
It only gets way higher. You go from up there. Yeah, how good?
That's sick. You could flip like that.
How sick.
That's pretty cool. This is a nice spot.
Yeah. Alright, Lyle's just gone on a depth check. This little pond. And then we're just going to send a little jump off here into that little waterhole. It is a...
That's definitely deep enough.
You reckon?
Yeah, you jumped right there.
Wait, is there any rocks like around though? That's all I'm worried about. Oh, there's heaps of people here too. Alright.
Jump like here though.
That wasn't bad, nah. Go, do it. You just
right here. Try right here. That's where I was.
I hit like rocks on that side.
Yeah. I didn't feel anything right up there though.
It's as tall as my hands all the way up. You just have to like tuck into it when you hit. Do you want to do it?
Yeah. Do you want me to?
No, I'll film from this. And then we'll go send that big one.
That's it.
Bro, that was such a big boom. Wait, let's swim to like the waterfall. Yeah. Bro, imagine sliding down that. Let's go off this one and then we'll swim over and depth check. We're just gonna go depth check it. I've done it before, but Bro, random man. I said go, random man. That's fine.
That's fine.
That's plenty deep enough, yeah. Oi, it tells me how deep I just went.
Really?
Yeah, 1 meter.
What? Is it filming? Yeah.
Is it chill?
Later.
Wait. Yep.
Holy fuck, that's high. Holy shit.
Go, random man. Go like kind of just straight out.
I slapped my hands there.
You jumped so far out, that was sick. That was sick. Let's go do the rock. The hole.
Wait, my hands slapped.
Alright, we're going to check out this little rock hole. We've picked up a random traveller. What's your name anyway?
Lachlan.
Lachlan, nice to meet you. Darcy.
Darcy.
Yeah, and that's fucking Lyle. But yeah, let's go. There's like a massive rope swing, probably the biggest one in Australia, inland of Gold Coast. It would literally be like swinging off here. I reckon. I can't remember the name of it, but it's huge. Like, it's actually huge.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Yeah, how good of a spot is it?
Yeah, it took me like,
That's the whole way. Have a look, Lyle.
What the fuck, man? I'm not jumping in that. I ended up and he's like, "You gonna do it?" I'm like, "No, no."
What's that?
He's like, "You're doing the hole, man. You're doing the hole, man." I'm like,
Where did you jump off
I
here?
go from there, but I'll make it from here, but I don't trust that. Like, I just...
Here. Bro, that looks sick from here. Good? Alright, ready?
Just step off.
Good?
Holy shit, that's cool.
I want to get a shot from down here as well, but I want to go off the top.
Yeah.
Hang on. Hey, wait, are you going to stay down here?
So Dusty's gonna try and go from there now. Wait, looks fucking terrifying if you ask me. Right up there. Right, here we go.
Whoa! Baby!
Yeah! Nice, dude. Slow, mate. If you're not confident, don't do it. You can't jump. Yeah. Bro, I thought you hit your fucking very hard.
I hate my hands pushed on it. My hands had to push on the wall. How good's the water? And grab next one. Yep, there. Woo! I'm gonna have to go for my.
Yeah, that's
Good? Yep. Oh, it's a little small actually.
go. No, you're alright. I'm gonna try to dive, and if I'm lucky, I'm gonna try to turn it into a jet dive.
This is a good height for doing a death dive. You do one now.
Jet dive?
Yeah.
Alright.
That
So what, you just want to like...
You want to go for a belly flop. See, Lyle kind of went on his feet.
Yeah.
You want to like literally just hold a belly flop and then tuck and hit with your hands and feet. Oh! Alright. I'll just jump out where you are there. Ready?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh. Yo. Yeah.
Sick. That's sick. Oh, I'm just gonna do it.
YouTube flies and shit.
That bloke that we met, Lachlan, was an absolute legend. Definitely gonna hang out with him again sometime because he's down to do some cool shit. But
Oh shit, they got a bobcat there, bro.
what a legend! Surely they're making a jump.
Surely.
That's where we're going
Wait,
right now.
Wait, hang on. Oh.
Almost just ran off the road, but here's the setup. Have a look at this, man. Have a look at these cars. Damn, it's windy as shit out here.
Every year for the first 100
Walking in the big R2,
so loud in the studio, as you
set
can
up a
probably
rope
hear,
swing
I was
and flip
puffing
off
from
it,
dancing around.
jump off
Stoked
it,
to see
whatever
some
you want to
table
do,
crate
it's
in
over
there,
there.
that's for sure.
We got the pizza.
Oh, it's muddy and slippery.
Lyle fell over. Ah.
Jumping and passing. I just want to kick my shit on the bucket. Yeah, watch your hands.
Go higher. Yeah. Can you hold this, Jimmy?
Why do you think this exploded? Hey? It was like stuck on my armpit.
I was actually a little worried, but we were throwing it at the waterfall, so.
Big one.
big one. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, I've already fucking. No, other way. Other way. Yeah. Oh, this is hard. It's actually pretty hard. Start licking that thing. Oh shit! That's sick. Ready? Come on. Double gainer. Double gainer. Yes, double gainer, please. Is this your first double gainer if you do it? And you're gonna kill me? Oh! Oh, nice! Wait till down. I'll do this, ready? Is that Gordon? No, yeah, that's Alvarado. Yeah. Yay! Alright. I'll hold it beside you. I don't know. Let's go. Hi. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, I'll do it, boys. You want me to film you? Yeah. Look at Viola go. That was sick. That was actually sick. That was actually sick. Good? Yeah. Yes! There's so much water in there. Bicycle kicks. You'll have to like film over it. And then go high really fast. Well, not really fast, but fast enough so you don't run out of stamina. Oh, it's fucking hard. Flip out of this. You just like tuck in a ball and go with it. Ah! Ready? Oh, wait! Send it. I can't. Do you still want some bit of length so it can actually get you out in the middle of the dam? That's not right. Yeah.
See, Jimmy flips it.
I'm more nervous about gambling.
Yeah, no, I don't want to go.
Jimmy is nice.